I'm putting out this video to share a free diet tool you can use when making a concerted effort to gain or lose weight. I've linked the Excel and Google Doc versions for you to save down and use for yourselves. So let's get right into it. Here's what the spreadsheet looks like. I've included 12 weeks, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but let's walk through it. The cells that are yellow require manual input, while the gray cells are all calculations, and you don't want to enter any data in those. This is built out to start on a Monday, but you could always manually change the days here. It just needs to account for a 7-day period in each tab. First thing you would do is enter in the dates for the week. Let's just say this week starts on Monday the 14th and ends on Sunday the 20th. The week 1 tab is a little different from the rest in that you'll be entering in your starting weight and the weight you are aiming to achieve for this diet. Let's say we weigh 200 pounds and we're looking to get down to 190. I have an input here for your daily step goal. I suppose this is optional if this isn't something you want to track, but let's just say we're looking to hit 10,000 steps a day. And then after determining the weekly surplus or deficit that you're aiming for to reach your goal, you would know around how many calories you're looking to consume each day. Let's just say that is 3,000 for us. From there, you would enter in your daily macronutrient targets for that given calorie count, and it'll calculate how many calories you have left based on what you have inputted. So let's say you have 200 grams of protein, 100 grams of fat. Lets you know you have 1,300 calories left to spare, which in this case would be 325 grams of carbs. So those are our macronutrient targets for this diet. You would then just fill this out as each day passes. So you'd enter in your macros for the day, the amount of steps you got that day, and then a daily body weight, which I would recommend you check at the same time and under the same conditions every day. And I'll throw in some numbers here so you can see what this looks like filled out. So here we are with some data. Let's talk about some of the averages we have here in gray. These will just let you know if you're generally staying in line with your plan. For instance, protein, we want to hit 200 grams per day on average. That doesn't mean you're going to get 200 every day, right? We have as low as 183 on Wednesday and as high as 215 on Friday. But in general, we are hitting about 200 grams of protein, staying in line with the goal. Same goes for carbs, fats, our caloric limit, and steps. We know we're about in line with what we have planned here. And then we have an average body weight for the week, which will be important later on as we'll be comparing this average body weight for the week to the prior week average, which seeks to eliminate some of the intraday variability you might see if, for say, we were only comparing on Sunday, where let's just say on Saturday you had a big meal, you woke up Sunday and you were holding a lot of weight and your daily body weight was skewed by that. We don't want that to skew our weight gain or weight loss metrics, so we're going to be looking at the weekly average. Then we have some metrics down here. This will show how much weight you've gained or lost over the course of the entire diet as of each individual day. And then we have how many pounds away you are from achieving your goal and the percentage of completion towards your desired weight gain or loss. And as the weeks progress, we've added in this weekly weight change metric, which will just take your rolling 7-day weight change. For instance, on Tuesday of week 2, this would take your body weight for that day and compare it to the prior Tuesday. And yeah, that is all I have. Hopefully this helps and can get you on track. Again, I have the Excel and Google Doc versions linked below that you can download for yourself. And this is version 1. As I make improvements to these spreadsheets that I've been sharing, I'll be sure to post the updated versions. So yeah, have a good one.